In this video, I will compare Wix and Shopify to help you decide which e-commerce platform is best for your business. Whether you're starting a small store, dropshipping business, or a large-scale brand, I will break down the features, pricing, and ease of use for both platforms. So I've been using both platforms for the last 2 years, and I'm going to show you everything you need to know about Wix and Shopify. So let's kick off with the ease of use and setup. So for Wix is a drag and drop website builder, great for beginners who want an easy setup without coding. And Shopify is designed specifically for e-commerce, offering a streamlined setup and powerful tools for scaling a business. And let's move on to the customization and features. Wix is ideal for small businesses and starters with custom design freedom, but limited advanced e-commerce features. And for these advanced e-commerce features, you should move on to Shopify, because Shopify is built for serious online selling with better inventory management, payment gateways, and marketing tools. And then the most important question is, what are the pricing and the costs? Well, Wix starts at $27 a month for e-commerce, but it lacks advanced selling features. And let's take a look at the pricing of Wix. And as you can see, you can already get started with the Lite package for $17 a month. But to use e-commerce things, you can only start for $29 a month. And if you want to scale up and actually grow your brand or your business, you are already looking at $36 a month. And if you are more elite and more advanced, then you can select this $195 per month plan. So these are all the plans that Wix is offering. And at the moment, you can also start for free. So when you do that, you will be given a plan for 1 month. And after that, you can either quit or you can select one of the paid plans. So these are the plans. And for e-commerce, the 3 plans are the core, business, and business elite, because with the Lite, you cannot do any e-commerce things. So let's move on to Shopify for the pricing over there. So for Shopify, you can start for free by clicking the link in the description to get a 90-day free trial. And after that, you can pay €1 a month for 3 months as well. So let's move on to the plans that you can select after you have the free trial period. So we have 4 plans. We have Basic, Shopify, Advanced, and Plus. And to start off, Basic is the best for solo entrepreneurs. And in here, you can already start with e-commerce. And we saw at Wix that you can only get started with e-commerce for €29 a month. So Shopify in that is cheaper. And it also includes hosting, security, and dedicated e-commerce tools. And if you want to scale up, and let's say you are pretty high in revenues, let's say more than 1K a month in dollars, then this small team plan will be something for you. That is equivalent to around $70 a month. And if you're starting to scale really big, then you can always go for the advanced, and this will set you up really well for a long period of time. And Shopify actually works with obligations to scale up. So let's say you reach certain sales limits, then you need to scale up your plan. But of course, you can cover that with your revenues then. So these are the plans for Shopify. You also have the Plus for the more complex business, but this is something that is really far away when you're just starting out. So let's make a final verdict on Shopify and Wix. And I would say that the best for simple websites and small stores, that is Wix to go for. And the best for growing and large-scale online businesses, I would go for Shopify. So summarized, if you want a creative control and a simple website with e-commerce features, Wix is a great choice when you go for the core plan. But if you're serious about building and scaling an online store, Shopify is the better platform. And let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Anyways, thank you for watching, and I see you in the next one.